Hello dear students, in this video we are going to do applications of derivative, that is maxima and minima part. In the previous video we did increasing and decreasing functions. So in this video we are going to do problems on maxima and minima. Here, see here the function y is equal to fx, here the graph of function y is equal to fx. Here you will observe that at this point the function attains highest value. Look at the another graph of this function y is equal to f of x. You will observe that at x is equal to c point the function attains the lowest value. So this is what minimum value of the function, this is what maximum value of the function. We are going to see here only local minima and local maxima. It doesn't mean that कि ये फंक्शन को और कहीं दूसरी जगह पे मिनिमम वैल्यू नहीं होगी. इट डजंट मीन दैट मीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू सी हियर लोकल मिनिमा एंड लोकल मैक्सिमा. सो हियर at this point x is equal to c, see the function attains highest value. If you draw a tangent to the curve, you will observe that this tangent is parallel to x-axis. That means slope of the tangent is 0. That means f dash of c will be equal to 0 over here. F dash of c is equal to 0. At lowest value, here the function attains minimum at x is equals to c. यहाँ पे भी अगर tangent draw किया तो that tangent is parallel to x-axis. इसका मतलब slope of the tangent is 0. That means f dash of c is equal to what? 0. So either the function attains maxima at x is equal to c या minima at x is equals to c. First derivative f dash of c is equal to what? 0. Look at this to the left of this in the neighborhood of c. Here the function is to the left of c, function is increasing. That means suppose you are taking, आप अगर यहाँ पे एक point लेते c minus h which is to the left of c minus h, तो यहाँ पे function क्या है? Increasing है. That means f dash of c is what? Increasing है, so positive. Here you are taking some point say c plus h to the right of c, so यहाँ पे function क्या है? Decreasing है. So as the function is decreasing, so f dash of c plus h is positive and f dash of c here f dash of c plus h and f dash of c minus h, what we are getting? See, f dash of c minus h is positive because function is increasing over here and here the function is decreasing, so f dash of c plus h is negative. इसका मतलब और फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव चेंजेस साइन फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, so here function attains maxima at x is equal to c. Further, this function attains minima at x is equal to c. So what happen here? If we take c minus h point over here, see to the left of x is equals to c, function attains minima, lowest. See the function is what? Decreasing. Here the function is what? Increasing to the right of c. That means as the function is decreasing over here, f dash of c minus h is negative and here the function is increasing at c plus h. The function is increasing, so therefore f dash of c plus h is positive, greater than 0. That means we can say here the first order derivative changes sign from negative to positive. Now further we will see second order derivative test. Second order derivative test. What is the second order derivative test? Function fx has maxima at x is equal to c when first order derivative f dash of c is equal to 0 at x is equals to c, f dash of c is 0, and second order derivative, that is f2 dash of c, is negative. then the function attains what? Maxima at x is equal to c. दूसरा है a function fx has minima at x is equal to c when f dash of c is 0 for both f dash of c is 0 and f2 dash of c, that is second order derivative, is what? Positive. Here it is negative, here it is positive. When second order derivative is negative, maxima. Second order derivative is positive, minima. And there may arise some case that in some case f2 dash of c is equal to 0, because we said here less than 0, greater than 0. So another possibility is what? F dash of c is exactly equal to 0. In that case, our second order derivative test fails and we go for first order derivative test. So let's do question on this maxima and minima. Question number 9, find maximum and minimum value of the function. Here we have taken this second example, fx is equal to 2x cube minus 21x square 36x minus 20. Now we find what? Maximum and minimum value of the function. So what is the procedure? First, see, the steps are following. First we find first order derivative, we equate it with 0 and you get value of x. That is called as a stationary point. So stationary point we will find here. Then we find second order derivative and we check whether second order derivative is positive or negative on that stationary values. So stationary points we will find. So first of all, you differentiate it. F dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 42x plus 36. Now for extreme value, see where we will get the extremum of the function. फंक्शन जहाँ पे मैक्सिमम है या मिनिमम है, so that is said to be what? Extreme value. So for extreme value, first order derivative becomes what? 0. That is the tangent become what? Parallel to x-axis and its slope will be what? 0. That is f dash of x is equals to 0 for extreme. That is either for maxima or for minima. So therefore we find what? Stationary point 6x square minus 42x plus 36 is equal to 0. 6x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here 6x minus 6 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means we are getting here x is equal to 6 or 1. We are getting x is equals to 6 or 1. So these are stationary point. Now we find second order derivative. Second order derivative f2 dash of x will be 12x minus 42. This is second order derivative. Now at this stationary point, see f2 dash of 6. What we get? 12 6 minus 42. This is 72 minus 42. It is 30. That means it is what? Positive. ये positive है. f2 dash of 6 positive है. इसका मतलब the function has minima at x is equals to c. Therefore minima at x is equal to 6. And we find what? Minimum value. So you will get minimum value at x is equal to c of this function. So therefore minimum value of the function is what? It is at 6. That means f of 6. This is not the minimum value. Here minimum value is what? F of 6, because you are getting minimum value at x is equal to c. 6. So minimum value is f of 6. So 2 6 cube minus 21 6 square plus 36 6 minus 20 minus 20. Now we calculate it. Now this becomes 216 into 2 and this 216. So 216 into 3 we can take, minus 36 into 21 and this 20, minus 20 minus this 21 into 36, 648 minus 648 minus, so the minimum value of function is what? F of 6, and that is equals to minus 128. Next is, we are getting another stationary point. One stationary point is what? X is equal to 6. Another stationary point is x is equals to 1. Now we check second order derivative at x is equals to 1. This is another stationary point. So f2 dash of 1. f2 dash of 1 is 12 minus 42, and that is equal to minus 30. So clearly f2 dash of 1 is less than 0, negative है, 0 less than 0. Therefore function attains maxima at x is equal to 1, and the maximum value of the function is f of 1. So f of 1 will be what? 2 1 cube minus 21 1 square, 36 1 minus 20, and after solving this it comes out to be minus 3. So minus 3 is what? Maximum value, and minimum value is what? Minus 128. Third sub question, fx is this. We find what? Maximum and minimum value. So first step is what? We find derivative and we get the stationary point. We equate first order derivative with 0. So 3x square minus 18x plus 24. So at extreme value, f dash of x is equal to 0 and f dash of x is equals to 0 for extreme value. So 3x square minus 18x plus 24 is equal to 0. That means x square plus minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. So x minus 4, x minus 2, 0. We are getting two stationary point, one is 4 and another is 2. Second order derivative, we find f2 dash of x, that is equal to 6x minus 18, and यहाँ पे x is equal to 2, f2 dash of 2 will be what? 6 into 2 minus 18, that is equal to 12 minus 18, which is, see here, 12 minus 18, we are getting minus 6. Minus 6, that is what? Negative. That means f2 dash of 2, second order derivative is negative. इसका मतलब function has, fx has maxima at x is equal to 2. We are interested in maximum value. So maximum value you are getting f of 2 at x is equal to 2. That is 2 cube minus 9 into 2 square plus 24 into 2, which is 8 minus 36 plus 48. That is, here it is 20 is the maximum value. So 20 is the maximum value of the function. Then another stationary point is 4, x is equal to 4. Now we check derivative, second order derivative at this point. So second order derivative at x is equal to 4, f2 dash of 4, f2 dash of 4, that is 6 into 4 minus 18 which is 24 minus 18, and it is equal to plus 6 you are getting, which is greater than 0. इसका मतलब second order derivative is what? Positive. Therefore fx has minima at x is equal to 4. And we are interested in minimum value of the function. A maximum value of the function is 20. Minimum value of the function is what? Minimum value you are getting at x is equal to 4. Minimum value is f of 4, and it is equal to 4 cube minus 9 into 4 square plus 24 into 4, which is 64, 144 plus 96. Here we are getting this subtraction 16. Here it is 16 we are getting. So 16 is the minimum value of the function. Fifth sub question is fx is equal to x into log of x. So we find what? Minimum and maximum value of the function. Here we are getting f dash of x. First we find differentiation. F dash of x, x derivative of log x, 1 by x, log of x derivative of x is 1, which is 1 plus log of x is the derivative f dash of x. Now for extreme value, that is either minimum or maximum, first order derivative f dash of x is 0, that is 1 plus log of x is equal to 0, log of x is equal to minus 1, that is ये logarithmic form में है, exponential form में x will be equal to e raised to power minus 1. When log of x is y, then x is what? E raised to power y. So that is 1 upon e. 1 upon e. So value of x is what? 1 upon e. You are getting only one stationary point. एक ही stationary point मिल रहा है आपको. Second order derivative is what? f2 dash of x is what? Here f dash of x is this. So f2 dash of x is derivative of 1 0, derivative of 1 by log of x is 1 by x. And what is the stationary point? X is equals to 1 upon e. So what is f2 dash of e? 1 upon e. That is 1 upon e, that is equal to e. Now e is a positive number. It is a fixed positive number whose value lies in between. E is what? It lies in between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So clearly e is what? Positive number. So therefore what did we infer? That it is positive. Therefore fx has minima at x is equal to 1 upon e. 1 upon e is our stationary point. Now the minimum value is what? Therefore minimum value of the function is at 1 upon e. Is at 1 upon e. So that is 1 by e into log of 1 by e, which is 1 upon e. Log of 1 by e is minus 1. See, it is log 1 minus log e. Log e is 1 and log 1 is 0. So which is minus 1 upon e is the minimum value of the function. It is minus 1 upon e is the minimum value of the. Question number 12. A wire of length 36 meter long. It is bent into a rectangle. A rectangle is formed. Now we find what? Dimensions of the rectangle when area of the rectangle is what? Maximum. This is a wire of length 36 meter long. We bent it into a rectangle. Let's suppose x and y be the length and breadth of the rectangle. So we find what? Length and breadth of rectangle when the area of rectangle is maximum. इसमें ये length of wire, it is bent into a rectangle. So जो perimeter of rectangle will be nothing but length of the wire, and what is that? It is 36 meter. So perimeter of rectangle that is nothing but length of the wire, and length of the wire is what? 36. Suppose we took length of rectangle as x and breadth is what? Y. So then perimeter will be what? 2 times x plus y, length in plus breadth, and that is equal to what? 36. Therefore we are getting two variable x plus y is equals to 18. We can bring in one variable, that y is equal to 18 minus x. Now area of rectangle is x into y. What is our x? See, x as it is, and y is 18 minus x, which is 18x minus x square, that is equal to what? A. इसको हम differentiate करेंगे with respect to x. So dA by dx, that is equal to 18 minus 2x. Now at extreme value the function is what? Here derivative, first order derivative is what? 0. So at extreme f dash or dA by dx is equal to 0. dA by dx is equal to 0. That means you are getting the stationary point. 18 minus 2x is equal to 0. So therefore we are getting x is equal to what? 9. Now we can get y as x is equals to 9 and y is equal to what? 18 minus x. Therefore y is equal to 18 minus x. Y is equal to what? 9 again. So x and y you are getting. But what is left? We want to show that at this point the function has maxima, that is the area is maximum. Second order derivative will find t square a by dx square is what? It is minus 2 and it is independent of x. But for x is equal to 9 you are getting first order derivative is 0. So this is what? Stationary point. And here second order derivative is negative. Therefore area is maximum for x is equal to 9 and y is equal to also 9. That means the area of rectangle is maximum when it is a square of side what? 9 meter. Therefore area is maximum when it is square of side 9 meter. When it is a square of side 9 meter. 13 question, a ball is thrown in the air and its height at any time t is given by this function h is equal to 3. It is a function of time t. H is equal to 3 plus 14t minus 5t square, and here we find what? The maximum height. That means where you are getting maxima, at what time t we are getting maxima, that we find. So derivative dh by dt is equal to 14 minus derivative dh by dt is 14 minus 10t. Now at extreme height dh by dt, first order derivative dh by dt is 0. That is 14 minus 10t is equal to 0. That means t is equal to what? 7 by 5. So we are getting here t is equal to what? 7 by 5, and this is what? Stationary point where the height is what? Height of the ball is maximum. Now second order derivative also will find d square h by dt square is a stationary point. D square h by dt square is what? Minus 10. Clearly it is negative, less than 0. Therefore h is maximum at time t is equal to what? 7 by 5. We are interested to get the maximum height. Therefore, maximum height of the ball, it will be at t is equal to 7 by 5. At t is equal to 7 by 5. So we put t is equal to 7 by 5 here. That will be 3 in plus 14 into 7 by 5 minus 5 into 7 by 5 whole square, which is 3 plus, it will be 98 divided by 5 minus 49 upon 5. So 3 plus, this is 49 upon 5, and we are getting here 15 plus 49 upon 5, which is 64 upon 5, which is 12.8. 12.8 will be the height, maximum height. So maximum height of the ball, that will be 12.8 unit. 12.8 units will be the maximum height of the ball. So dear students, in this video we did first up to 13 question of maxima and minima. We continue in the next video, same, that is maxima and minima topic. Thank you for watching this video.